Hey guys, I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. I am doing 25 days of holiday Christmas crafts and today is day 6. So it's Christmas time, you're thinking, I want to have a little soiree at my house. I want to get my friends together. So you want to cook and you want to make the table look cute. You're going to make really freaking cute coasters. And you're going to make them out of popsicle sticks. Everything you need is listed in the description below. So you kind of get the drift now. You kind of just decorate and do what you want to it. But today I decided to try out alcohol inks because I am obsessed with them. So I wanted to see what they'd look like on coasters. So there's no rhyme or reason for this. I'm kind of just dropping droplets anywhere that I want to. But another good idea is if you wanted to take some food coloring and water and let your sticks sit in the cup overnight. And then you will see that the dye gradually goes all the way up the sticks. And then you could flip them in a different color the next day. And then in the middle, they'll mix colors. It's a really cool kind of fun science project you can do with your kids. And they come out really beautiful. Okay, so you might like an open look for your coaster, but I like everything kind of closed and boxed in. So I took 4 popsicle sticks and put them around the 4 edges so that it kind of looked more like a box. So after the Mod Podge and the alcohol inks were dry, I decided that the coaster looked like it needed a border, so I just took some red popsicle sticks and put them around the edges. Honestly, this craft is good for any holiday, any season, and I also think it's a really fun idea if you want to get your kids involved. You can literally let them play with paint or markers even, color all the popsicle sticks, and then they could have their little contribution to whatever holiday you're celebrating. Using Mod Podge is not a necessity after you're done decorating, but I highly suggest it because it's a really good sealer. If you're thinking that you just want to be plain and maybe just do a silver coaster or one color, I would really recommend painting the popsicle sticks before you put all of this together. The only reason I did mine in the reversed way was because I didn't know how the alcohol inks would react, so I wanted to make sure all of the popsicle sticks were together. As always, the design options for these are endless. I would love to see the ones you made. Please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see what you did.